Today there is no one in the streets anymore. You can see these blocks under the bridges. The police come and make turns, so they make sure that the migrants don't come back in encampments.
Il faut le dire comme ça, c'est un cauchemar pour les réfugiés. Ils se sont arrêtés et transférés sur des centres de rétention. Il y a une pression sur les réfugiés.
When you take people in the streets here in Paris and you send them very far away in smaller cities, they don't have the same solidarity network. Of course, we don't want people to be outside. We want them to be housed. But if you just disperse like this and you don't give long-term solutions, you will never solve the problem.